Wow, so you've come here from my email. You want to get this. As I mentioned, I've cancelled anything else I was promoting when I discovered this whole package, and I've thrown in a whole bunch of really, really cool bonuses, exclusive bonuses you can't get anywhere else from me. So first of all, if you're seeing this before the end of the year, 2023, 2023 is when this will go up to, I think, about 900, if not $1,000. Even if you are late and you get it then, it's still worth it for sure, especially with the bonuses that I'm adding. But if you get it before, you get a huge discount, and you could also use a coupon code to reduce it even more. That's if you get it in time. So I'm going to go through what is included in Kevin's offer. And as Kevin, if you remember, he's so well regarded in the industry. He's a really, really great guy. He does really amazing products, and I even have used it when I first got into it. It's been super helpful in getting leads and all that kind of stuff, and giving really, really good value to people like you on my list. So first of all, let me show you some of my bonuses, and we'll kind of go backwards and forwards to what he's offering you. So one of the things that you're going to get is, if you get it from me using this link here on the top, is or at the bottom when you see this, is you get unlimited access to unlimited funnels, in-click funnels, for 6 to 9 months depending on what offer you get, for free. And if you want to, you can then keep it, and you can pay this is basically the free trial for $47 a month if you want to keep it. If not, you can just cancel it straight away. There's no problem over here. You can just kind of keep it. Plus you'll get other extra bits and pieces, like including it, you'll get a free website with hosting included. So that's over there. I'm also going to personalize some of the stuff here. So I'm going to get back to this in a second, because once I show you what stuff you get from Kevin, you'll get access to also to mid-ticket and high-ticket webinars and products. So if you have, most of the time you're sending products that cost $7, $27, etc. But it's the people who go to webinars or go to have higher tickets that you get a higher commission. So you get to earn faster, and you don't need to make as much you don't have to make as many sales to make the equivalent. Also, I'm going to give you my cash flow spreadsheet. So this is basically shows you how to keep track of your numbers, keep track of them correctly, which is super important. If you want to treat this as a business, you've got to do the stuff. So I'm going to give you the spreadsheet, but that's kind of the boring stuff, but it's super, super interesting once you see the money goes in. I'll also give you Elm Link, which is basically, you can use it as a mini funnel or like a bio page or a link shortener. So you get that for free, and you get unlimited amount of uses it. Instead of using Linktree or other bio pages, you can have that for free, absolutely free. I'll also give you an additional 20,000 plus PLR products. You can get that. It's unlimited rights. You can get access to that, change that, whatever you want, include that as bonuses in your thing. So for example, if you've got a product like this, you can bug that in as well as your 20,000 products. So that's there for you to use. And I'm just going to skim through this because there's so many bonuses I've added. I've got the 6-figure funnel secrets. You can look at that. I'm going to give you Content Gorilla 2.0 and the ability to give other people accounts if you wish. That's worth, at least £1,000, £3,000, because you can sell that or give that stuff away as well to your list. So that's amazing. Basically, this creates YouTube videos. It doesn't create YouTube videos. It has YouTube videos and create them to blog posts. So you'll be able to post them on social media, make blog posts, reuse that content into other videos, whatever you like. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to give you list building secrets. I'm going to give you L Messenger Pro. You'll be able to contact people automatically via Messenger, tag them, organize them, be able to follow up. And basically, this is what's made me thousands and thousands of dollars just using this. So that's worth it as well. I've got the Big Commission Bootcamp, which I'm adding. And that's not including everything that's included. So one of the things that you get in the offer, which you can get by clicking the link here. Oops, the link here, sorry, link over here. Once you click on it, you'll be able to access, one of the things you'll be able to access is his checklist. So this is one of the things that I even have and bought with my own money. So if you have a quick look at some of this, you get access to all these checklists. So an example of, and this is everything that he's got so far and everything that he's going to access in 2023. So for example, in one of these you've got Canva design, which I use every single day for my own campaigns. You've got videos that you can use here, but you get specific checklists like this. Let me pick another one. Self-publishing, WordPress. Let's pick a fun one. Let's do YouTube or copywriting. Let's pick that one. You get all the checklists here that you can print out and use. You can customize these bits, and that's what I'm going to also include my bonus, so you don't even have to do that as well. You get the Google spreadsheets, so you can open them up. You can use them yourself. You can go through all the checklists because there's lots and lots of things that need to be done. You can tick them off. You can change this and customize it and use it as lead magnets to get people to offer it. I've used that so many times. I've got tons and tons of people signing up to my list for free. You've got the PDF version and you've got the Word if you are more likely to access that. So you've got tons and tons of these, everything that's already here, plus all the things that he's going to do in future. As I said, they're amazing. But as one of my bonuses, which I said I'd go back to, is I will personalize 2 sets of them. So one of the tricky things about PLR is you have to get around to customizing it, and then you have to be able to go share it. So if you're joining here, what I will do, pick 2 of these checklists, which are tons and tons and tons of them. So 1 set. So if you wanted me to customize your copywriting one, or pick any of these, like a YouTube, or pick 1 set, I will customize it. I will change the top over here. I will add customizable links and stuff for you that brands it to you. I'll save them as a PDF, or we can leave and share the PDFs with you, and give you the thing so you can edit them again, obviously, if you want to change it in future. So that will be all set up for you. Just pick 2 of those, and there's tons and tons of them. This takes a lot of work. I've done them myself and changed every single one. So that will be done for you. Just pick 2 sets of that. And because I've given you access to ClickFunnels, for unlimited ClickFunnels, and remember, you can use that constantly forever, for whatever you want, and by the time the trial ends, if you'll be making enough money to be able to purchase it for $47 if you so wish. If you want to cancel, forget, that's no problem. You don't need to use it anymore. But until that time, I can customize some of the funnels for you for those checklists that I've personalized for you. So what you'll do is get access to ClickFunnels via this portal, and then you'll be able to, I'll create one of them inside here and give you opt-in pages and a sales page where they can click and they can opt in and get that free for you. So that's amazing, that's done for you. Also, you'll get access to this whole suite, which is a calendar, so you can kind of book people in. You can put I'm not going to show you all the contacts because it has actually personal details in there. It also has a social media planner, so you can add up all your accounts, and then you've also got the calendar here where you can plan out a whole year's of content and add them onto here, and they'll be able to post in your various different social media, Facebook, Twitter, if it's still around in 2023, Instagram, LinkedIn, etc. So that's there for you to organize. You can also email internally from here. So even that is worth the price of admission, and that's not even included in the things that you will purchase with this over here. So there's 2 options. You can get this as a one-off, or you can split pay. If you get the split pay and you pay in 2 parts, you won't get some of the extra bonuses like the ClickFunnels until you pay the second version, the second half. That's the only stipulation, but otherwise it's worth just getting it all in one so you can get set up and going. So this is really, really long, so I'm not going to go into too much detail. Obviously, it's included the checklist. You get the PLR premium report. So if you get from this over here, so this is stuff, if you were to buy them in one go, this will cost like $197 just in one go if you wanted to pay for it yourself. It gives you lots of PLR stuff, sales pages, etc., for you to share this and use them as bonuses, etc., which is worth it on its own. You get the I Am Coaching series, which is a 10-week program. You can get the shortened version that if you're impatient, you can do it in 10 days. I always suggest if you're here for the long term, do the long term stuff. It's like someone said, if you get driving lessons, people want to cram all their stuff in like an intense course. Actually, it's better if you learn to do it over a longer period of time. So it's definitely in you. You've got the checklist as mentioned, the premium reports, you get the VIP internet marketing training, you get the down live. This is really cool because it's ongoing monthly updates for the whole year. You get the 100k made simple, you get the emergency reports, you get the free traffic gun shortcut. So this is actually all in my bonus page. So you can, if you scroll down, you can see all of this here. You can see the free shotgun training, you can get the traffic 5, you can get commission 5, blah blah. These are all extra stuff. You get the email list building stuff, you get the free marketing funnels, you get the monetization methods, you get the productivity hacks, you get the newbie. This is a really cool one. So I some funnels that they'll give you. One of my fun ones, we got video, we got traffic, is the email stuff. So you get this accessional software that grants you access to over 1,000 emails that Kevin sent over the year, and you get to see how the emails are performed, the open rates, etc. So that's really helpful if you're an email marketer like myself. You get 10 times traffic, and this is all the stuff that you get. That's not even including everything that he's going to add for the whole year. So everything he's ever created, plus everything he's going to release in 2023. So most of the times, I'm sure in the coming year, there'll be a product that he'll get and then you'll want to buy it separately. But you've already got it over here. This is really cool. So I suggest go grab it. One of the things that I didn't also add in this page is also getting about 2,000 free social media posts that you can use, and I will also include a video how to actually use that and to make it really cool and do it really quickly. Plus you can use it with the planner that I give you as well over here. So that is super cool. If you've got any questions, just hit the reply in my email, and I can answer those questions. But make sure you grab this before the end of the year, and go grab all this stuff. Even if you miss the deadline and it goes up to like $900, it's still worth getting. This is super amazing. It's really everything that you need. Even for one of these products that they've sent you, you could literally make. It's a startup business really fast, and you get all the help with my bonuses, because if you want traffic, I've given you all the traffic, I've given you the links, I've given you ways to get blog posts, I've given you the ability to get free warm traffic from people, I'm giving you social media posts, you'll get swipes, you'll get all of this stuff, and I've not even mentioned that. Hope that helps. If you want to get it, just click that link over here. You'll come up to this page, you'll be able to get access now, click it in, and you'll be able to add it. When you go to it, make sure that you see my name at the bottom. Phew, that was tiring, but hey, that's just the full pay. If you want to do it over small payments, you can. Double check the price, because the price will go up as mentioned. Get your coupon code, add to your coupon to your cart. It's crazy amazing. I hope you get it. I'll also grab it. Let's have a chat if you have any questions, or ask Kevin. You can't get anything just for my bonuses alone. It's kind of worth getting, I think. Well, this is me from 2022.